For our part 3, we are here sa Joey's. Let's eat. Thai chicken. Alang gid ay. Legit. Midnight.
Ano ba yung legit na lang?
Lemon and pepper.
Ano yung lemon?
Garlic parmesan. Corn cob.
Ganun ko silang kutsarang tinito.
Fries. For our drinks, we have Coke and of course, among favorite na karon. Karon! Traditional Thai tea.
Karon!
That's it. Thank you for watching. Until next time, happy birthday again, Manong. Bye!